Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to close a task in Clickup. And yeah, even though it sounds super simple, a lot of people get confused because Clickup uses statuses like done, complete, or custom ones that teams create. So closing a task is basically about moving it to the right final status. Let me show you how it works. First, open your Clickup workspace and head into the list or folder where your task is located. You can also find it from the search bar if your workspace is a little cluttered, whichever is faster for you. Once you're inside the list, you'll see all your tasks along with their current statuses. Now look for the task you want to close. You'll usually see a status column right next to the task name. It might show something like to do in progress review or whatever custom workflow your team uses. Click on that status. When you do, a small drop-down will appear showing every status in your workflow. To fully close the task, choose a status that's considered done or complete. In most workspaces, ClickUp groups done statuses under a green section, so anything there usually means the task is officially closed. If your team uses custom statuses, just look for the one that represents completion, like finished, approved, or even something fun like all set. Once you select that status, ClickUp instantly marks the task as complete. The task will usually turn a different color or move into a done group depending on your view. And if you're in board view, you'll see it slide into the done column automatically. If you want to double check or add extra details before closing, you can click the task to open it fully. Inside the task window, you can add comments, check off subtasks, attach files, or update any final information. And at the top right of the task window, you'll also see the status selector, so you can close the task from there too. Some teams also use automations that trigger when a task gets closed, like sending a message, moving the task to another list, or updating custom fields, so closing a task can sometimes kick off other actions depending on your setup. And that's really all there is to it. Closing a task in ClickUp is just about choosing the right final status, and once you do that, the task is marked complete and organized exactly where it needs to be. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more ClickUp guides if you want to keep things running smooth and organized.